Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. I got a new chair. What are your thoughts? It was about time I changed it. I think you saw in some of my older videos that it was an old chair, and well, today is the day when I finally snapped and I fell on the ground. Yeah. So this video is about the Nokia C5. I'm gonna do a little restoration video of this phone using some parts that I have and then send it to a friend. Hopefully everything will be alright. I mean, I know it will. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And also don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. So let's begin. Yep, this is its condition. Not a very good one, but it is what it is. Let's begin. The screen is still white, you may not see it, but no one cares. Turn off. There we go. So, and that's out and ugly. This goes to the camera and this goes to the trash. Also, forgot to take out my SIM card. Whoopsie. Well, that just came out hard, but it came out. Well, see, I don't think I will need this, but just in case. Unplug this connector, also the speakers. I'm gonna change these as well. Take the metal frame off. Easy. This is the metal frame with the earpiece and the buttons. This is the display connector, which I took off. And this is the main board. So I'll get to clean it and be right back with the assembly. Well, it took a while, but it's clean. So, time to put it back together. Just put in the little display back. Now the metal cover. The earpiece is still here. I just blew some air on it. That sounded weird, ignore that. Now, this guy. This shall go here nicely. Then this shall go here nicely. Then the little door for the card. Then the volume buttons. Then the, how do you call that? Battery door ejector. Then everything in place here. Good. And over this, the speakers. And let's not forget to put this back on the camera. Okay. This is a very simple phone, nothing too fancy. The SIM card door, the micro SD card door fell. Here we have the new original body shell, beautiful, if I may say so myself. Okay, time to put the new body shell on it. Last second the dust particle decided to, hey, let me destroy this guy. Okay, good enough. This thing fell, but not for long. Just also clean the camera a bit. Okay. And now for the camera cover. And we are done. Okay, let me put a micro SD card in here as well. The battery, and of course a battery cover. Look at this beauty. Well, the bottom part is old, not new, but it is what it is. No one cares, bro. Let me set the profile. There we go. Oh, nice. Testing out the sound recorder. And it works. Well, that's it for today's video. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, please don't forget to leave a like, maybe subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. And I wish you a very awesome day just like yourselves, and all the best. Bye bye. Now, thumbnail.